How to fix Facebook not updating. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook. Open then Facebook now like this and scroll down, click on storage option. Now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and now what you should do, you have to back and click offer stop, and now you have to go to files and media on permissions option here and allow access to media only. Now go to your Play Store and update your Facebook like what you do before. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.